Welcome to this English grammar course video on the introduction to proper nouns, known in Urdu as asme khas. Hello everyone. Today we are learning about proper nouns, or asme khas. A proper noun is the specific name of a person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are unique and particular, unlike common nouns that refer to general categories. A crucial rule is that they always begin with a capital letter in English. Examples of proper nouns for people include Ali, Sarah, and Hassan. For places, we have Lahore, Karachi, Pakistan, Asia, and Mount Everest. Proper nouns also apply to things like the Quran and Islam. Days and months, such as December and Monday, are proper nouns. Geographic features like the Indus River, Sindh, and Punjab are also proper nouns. Countries like UAE and England are proper nouns. Company names, such as Toyota, Google, and Amazon, are specific named entities, therefore they are also proper nouns. Here are some practical sentences using proper nouns for people. Ali is my friend. Sarah is studying. Hassan is running. These sentences use proper nouns for places. Lahore is a historical city. Karachi is very big. Pakistan is my homeland. Further examples with geography and beliefs include Asia is the largest continent. Mount Everest is the highest peak. The Quran guides us. Proper nouns are also used for time and faith. Islam is a complete religion. December is cold. Monday starts the week. For regions, examples include the Indus River flows in Pakistan. Sindh is a province. Punjab is fertile. UAE is a developed country. For global and technology examples, England is beautiful. Toyota makes cars. Google is a search engine. Amazon sells products online. Let's do some quick practice. In Ali is my friend, the proper noun is Ali. In Sarah is studying, the proper noun is Sarah. In Hassan is running, the proper noun is Hassan. More practice. In Lahore is a historical city, the proper noun is Lahore. In Karachi is very big, the proper noun is Karachi. In this rapid fire round, the proper nouns in sentences Q6 to Q12 are Pakistan, Asia, Mount Everest, Quran, Islam, December, and Monday. The proper nouns in sentences Q13 through Q20 are Indus River, Sindh, Punjab, UAE, England, Toyota, Google, and Amazon. Ali and Sarah live in Pakistan. They talk about Lahore and Karachi. Proper nouns specify the people and places in their journey. Pakistan is in Asia, with the Indus River flowing through Sindh and Punjab. They start their week on Monday and enjoy the cold in December. Ali believes Islam and the Quran guide them. They learn about Mount Everest, UAE, and England. They use Google, Amazon, and admire Toyota. In summary, proper nouns are specific names for particular people, places, and things, and they are always capitalized. Thank you for watching this video. This slide displays some of the image sources used in this video, including contributions from FreePic and Wikipedia. More image sources are listed here, referencing contributions from Wikipedia, iStockPhoto, FreePic, and others. The final slide of image sources includes contributions from FreePic and iStockPhoto.